Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Neha and today we are going to start a new series of our headstands for next 4 days. So headstand lovers, get ready to start practicing with me. Before I start, I want you to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon right next to it. You can also follow me on Instagram with the ID of Yoga for Cure. Alright. So there is something which you need to remember before you start, especially headstand, because it is not a joke. If at all you lose a balance, you might hurt your neck, which I definitely don't want you to go through it. So be very careful. First 2 days we are going to practice on a preparatory posture, which will help you to gain a confidence that you can practice. I'll try my level best to give you certain asanas and make you practice in such a way that you can practice headstand by yourself on 4th day. But again, 4th day when you are practicing, make sure you have somebody along with you. And during next 3 days, you are not going to practice by yourself. Do not try to do it all alone if you are not confident enough. Let's start. As you practice headstand, it's a lot to do with your upper body more than the lower body. But then you also should remember that you need to work on your shoulder, on your neck and a bit of your core muscles. So before everything, we're going to work on our neck. Keep your shoulder relaxed. Now turn your neck to the right and the left. Inhale right and exhale left. One more time. Right and left. Now up and down. Up, down. One more time. Inhale up and exhale down. Now get your both the hands on the shoulder. Okay. Now shoulder up, shoulder back. Shoulder up, shoulder back. Try to have a free movement and let your shoulder go up and down. Interlock your both the fingers, keep it behind. Now in, try to touch your elbow and out. Open up your chest. So you're pushing your both the arms in the opposite direction, behind. Okay. Forward, back. Forward, back. Forward, exhale, inhale, center. Interlock your both the fingers, stretch it up. Okay. Now back, forward. Inhale back, exhale forward. Inhale back, exhale forward. Inhale back, exhale forward. Now a mild movement for your spine. So open up your chest, look up, round your shoulder, look down. Look at the movement of your shoulder. You're going to round your shoulder completely inward. Now open, take your spine in, exhale, inhale and exhale. Come to a child posture. Inhale up. Now both the hands facing back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale up. So try to lift your shoulders up completely. And exhale, interlock your fingers and down. Inhale up. Exhale. Center. So you can feel kind of a stress. It's not really a stress, but then you can feel the difference in your shoulder now. Now extend your hands and come to Parvat Asana. Knee straight. Now without moving your shoulder, just lift your heel up, down, up. This is a major movement which will help you to prepare for the headstand. So make sure that you take it easy. Up and try to keep your chest slightly closer to the knee. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop it down. A child posture. Relax. Just be in child posture for about like 5 to 10 seconds and try to keep your breath really relaxed and just take a deep breath in, breath out. Once you feel relaxed, again we'll continue forward. Now extend your both the hands forward again. Come on your knee. So you have a good grip as if you're trying to grab the floor. This is very important that you're holding the floor properly so you have a better balance. Lift your hip up. Come to Parvat Asana again. Now get your heels closer. Okay. Now lift your right leg up. Right knee pointing up. Right toe pointing out. Now lift your left heel up. Down. Up. Keep looking down at the another knee. Up. Down. Up. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Drop it down. The other side. Toe pointing out, knee straight. Lift your heel. Up. Down. Up. Keep looking down at the knee. Up. Down. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Again, a quick 10 seconds break. Drop your hands down. Drop your head down and just relax. Slowly come to center. Your hamstring need to be stretched so that when you're practicing headstand, you can balance easily. So it will avoid you falling down from the posture. That is the reason we are practicing Parvat Asana. If you find Parvat Asana difficult, I want you to focus on it, practice little more, gain a bit of flexibility in your lower body before we start. We have one more variation to complete. Keep your fingers open. Up. Okay. Now, you're going to lift your heel up. So, right leg all the way out. Lift your left heel up. So, you can feel kind of a heaviness. Okay. It's a proper inversion. Now, drop your knee bend. Hold. 5, 4. Try to be on the tip of the toe. 3, 2, 1. Slowly drop your leg down. On your toe, land on your toe, lift the left leg up all the way out. Now just bend your knee. Continue to breathe longer. Make sure this should be in ease. You should not be really finding it too difficult. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now last time we're going to stand on tip of the toe, but chest trying to get closer to the knee. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knee down. Child posture. Be in child posture for about 5 to 10 seconds just to relax, because you also need to relax your wrist and your shoulder. If you find your wrist is really hurting, you can just like quickly relax your wrist. And the other way around. Now, one asana to work on your core. Come to full plank. Now, get your right knee in between both the palm. Now, just tap your knee to the floor and to the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another side. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Child posture. We try to work on our shoulder, on our neck, and a bit of your hamstring stretch also, along with a bit of core. So this is something which you need to practice at least 2 to 3 times. You have to repeat it. Okay. If you find Parvat Asana very difficult, again I repeat, you have to work on it. Try to increase some flexibility in your lower body, which will help you in Shirsasana while practicing. So I'll see you tomorrow with the day 2 with more preparatory postures. Till then you practice this. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment box. Thank you.